Come back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make banana milk coffee drink. This is a creamy and tasty morning coffee smoothie. So if you're a coffee lover, stay tuned and find out how I make this. So to make this banana and coffee smoothie, I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of coffee into a jar. I will add 1 cup of water. Stir to mix properly. Then I'm going to cover the jar and keep it in the fridge or set aside for about 4 hours or more. After about 4 hours, I'm going to prepare the banana milk. So I will add 1 cup of almond milk. Feel free to use any milk of your choice. Then I'm going to add the milk into the blender. I'll be making use of 1 ripe banana. I'm going to add the banana into the blender. I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of honey. Feel free to add any sweetener of your choice. Then I'm going to add the coffee. Then I'll cover the blender and blend until smooth. The banana coffee smoothie is ready. You can enjoy this coffee smoothie in the morning. Feel free to add ice cubes. You can enjoy this as morning coffee smoothie. It will help to boost your energy and it tastes so good. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.